Hey, Jonathan Dunkerley here, and today I wanted to show you the easiest way to make $1,000 daily with things like TikTok and AI, and my example today is going to be fitness coaches. This could be used with any niche, but I'm going to talk about fitness coaches. So you could take a look at this. This is proof that this system actually works, and it's exactly what I'm going to show you today. So the idea of a $1,000 day, this account alone is making $1,000 plus a day using the exact strategy that I'm about to show you. So you could see $15,000 are pending to be paid out, but then you can go here, look at this. This is the all-time. This account has made nearly $3 million in gross and nearly 2.5, and that's all time. And if you just look at the last year, it's nearly $1 million in the last year just from this one account. And you could also do this with things that you're promoting using PayPal and things that don't use Stripe. But this is just one account using this system. And it could work with pretty much any niche. The reason why I show you this is not to show off these numbers. It's to show you that it's possible, to show you that what I'm about to show you can actually produce results. It doesn't just happen. It does take some work, but it is possible. And if you follow what I'm telling you to do and take action, you will have every opportunity to have these results. Now, if you don't have anything to promote yet, there is a list of AI tools. If any of them fit into your niche, then you could promote them using the system the same way that I am right now. Or just a little note, often if you are looking for an affiliate product to promote, just type in the name of the product and then the word affiliate program afterwards, and you're likely to find their program. So I'm just going to go ahead and start in ChatGPT. You could find ChatGPT by Googling ChatGPT or go to chat.openai.com. And I'm going to just use the 3.5. It is free. If you'd like to pay for 4, feel free. I think it is $20 a month at this point. But I'm going to go ahead and grab a script from ChatGPT. So I need to have a script that is going to promote, in this case, you're going to need a script for your video for your fitness coach program. So when I think of fitness coach programs, I think of like boot camps and things like that. So let's create a script like that. So I gave it a short prompt to write a script about your fitness coaching. Talk about how you host online group boot camps so everyone can support each other as they reach their fitness goals. Talk about the fitness coach team you have. This is for short form content like TikTok. Have a call to action at the end to comment yes to learn more. And then one other little hack that I'm going to share with you is if you are making multiple scripts like this and you found a format that you like, you could always just take the format of the script that you like and you could paste it in and then tell ChatGPT to reference the format of the script below, but do not reference the content. Now I could just tell it to copy that format. I'm going to hit enter or return, and look at that. I have a completed script ready to go. So the next thing that we're going to do is we're going to need some images to put in our video, and why not use AI to do this? So I'm going to ask ChatGPT to generate me some prompts for Midjourney. And if you don't know what Midjourney is, it is a tool that you could use to generate AI-generated images. And you can go to midjourney.com. It is hosted through Discord. If you don't know what Discord is, it is a social media platform that is geared mostly towards communities and gamers, but they have a whole bunch of tools that you could use on their platform. You'll just need to have a Discord account installed, and then you would just install Midjourney onto your Discord, and then you could access it either through your messenger. You can create your own Discord server like I did, where you have a little bit more control, or you could just go to the Midjourney server themselves and just generate it directly there. So I just asked ChatGPT to give me 5 Midjourney image prompts for the script above, and then I said they will go over a voiceover. You can give this as much or as little information as you like, but I'm going to hit return or enter. And just like that, I have 5 different options for prompts that I could use in Midjourney. So I'm just going to grab this first one because it seems perfect. I'm going to show a montage of people working at home, sweating and pushing themselves during an online boot camp session. So I'm going to take this, copy it, and we're just going to go over to Discord where we have Midjourney installed. Once you have Midjourney installed, it doesn't matter where you're accessing it in Discord. The commands are the same. We're just going to do the / and you're going to get these commands. And see, I have this one that says Imagine. You can click this and see all of the commands that Midjourney could have. It is very intuitive. And then you could dive really deep into creating really customized images. But I'm just going to click Imagine. And then I'm going to paste in what we got from ChatGPT. And then I'm going to add one additional thing. So if I want to have a video vertical like this, like a cell phone, I'm going to add in this command at the end where it says -- AR and then a space. And then I'm going to put 9 by 16, and that will make the image generate in the aspect ratio that I want it. So I'm going to hit enter or return, and it's going to automatically start generating me 4 images that I could use in my video to promote my fitness coaching program. Now, most of these will work right out of the box. I usually avoid things that have text, but I'm going to go ahead and up-res these 3 right here. And then if I want to get more images, I could either grab another prompt or I could hit this little thing that shows the recycle symbol. I hit that, and then I could adjust it if I want to and hit submit again. Now it's going to generate me 4 new images based on that prompt. So I really could take one image prompt and just pump out a whole bunch of images based off that and get a bunch of them fast in the aspect ratio that I already need. And look at these. These are great. I love all of these images, and they are perfect for what we are doing. Now I'm going to save all the images that I want to keep. And now that we have our script, we have the images that we're going to use. So we are just going to go back to ChatGPT, and we are going to copy the script that we just generated with ChatGPT and then created our images from. And we're going to go to a website called 11labs.io. 11 Labs creates AI voiceovers as well as AI voiceover clones. So if you wanted to use your own voice, you can create a clone of your voice and use it in your video. But if you don't want to use your own voice, they have an abundance of pre-made amazing stock voices that you could use that sound like humans.
Never mistake motion for action.
Before you put on a frown,
change in all things is sweet.
So you're going to be able to pick whatever voice you'd like. I'm just going to go with Rachel because it makes sense for the video that we're making. And then I'm going to go ahead and paste that script in. And just remember, always proofread anything that AI has generated to make sure it's what you want. And when you're ready, all you need to do is hit generate, and it will create the entire thing for you like magic. And this is the voiceover that it just created.
We're here to help you crush your fitness goals. Our team of certified fitness coaches is ready to guide you every step of the way. We know that reaching your fitness goals can be tough on your own, so we host group online boot camps. Join our community and support each other as you sweat, tone, and transform together.
I don't know about you, but that turned out pretty darn good. So all you need to do is go down here where you have this little down arrow and you could download the voiceover. Now, one extra step that you could take if you wanted to is you can create a digital avatar using tools like HeyGen. And HeyGen, you can go and look at all of their avatars and just generate one that actually is going to be appropriate for your video.
Welcome to the new era of video creation with HeyGen. Simply type your script to get started.
So HeyGen creates amazing avatars, and you'll just have to find the right one that works with your video, or you can go crazy and just add your own photo in and have yourself in all of the videos like I did right here, where I have my photo right here, and I can make it talk. Now, again, HeyGen is optional, but this does make your video stand out in the crowd. So now we've created our script, our prompts, we have created our images in Midjourney, we created our voiceover in 11 Labs. So how are we going to edit all of these together? Now you can use any editing software that you have, but if you would like to do it for free, you could go to CapCut. It is a free editing software. There is some paid features if you wanted to upgrade, but you could do everything you need with the free version. You're just going to click create a new video. And then we are going to do 9:16 because this is a 9:16 video. And then I could just click on project. And then we can just drag in all the elements that we created, our images and our voiceover or our HeyGen generation. And now we need to assemble the video together. So I'm going to take this, I'm going to drop the audio in right here. And then I could just take all of the photos, add them in, add this photo, add this photo, add this photo, add this photo, add this photo. Now, I could adjust the length of them so they're different lengths to whatever length they need. Listen to the audio and find where it makes sense to make these cuts. And then you can just click on the audio and go over here to where it says captions. We hit auto caption, hit generate, or pick your language and then hit generate. And then it's going to generate captions. Look at that. Just like that, we have captions for the video. You could change the font to the image so they stand out a little bit better in the video. Then we go to the image and we could add keyframing so we can make the image move so it gives it more dynamics. So that's basically what you're going to do. And then maybe you could even add in some text on the screen if you want to have a call to action to a link or something like that. So it is very straightforward, very easy to put this together, but it does take time. And then just go over here to audio, and then CapCut has all this audio built in. Just find the one that makes sense with your video, add it in, and then you'd hit export, and there you go. Then you'd be able to go to platforms like Radar, where you could schedule these out in bulk on multiple platforms, multiple Facebook groups, multiple Facebook pages, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, everywhere that you could think that you could post it, and then you have more reach by posting it to more places. But this is very time consuming. I'd say doing this, putting it together, takes about maybe an hour. I didn't even do any of the editing, and you saw how long it took me to put this together. I still need to add keyframing. I still need to adjust the closed caption so it looks exactly like what I want. So the shortcut that I do to do all of this but faster and more automatic is a tool called Shineify. So Shineify, it used to be called ShineRanker. It is in the middle of being rebranded. You can go to ShineRanker if you wanted to grab a copy. It takes all of those steps, it puts them into one place, and it automates it, and it makes it so you could literally just hit a generate button and create your video one after another. And then you're going to be able to create videos like these. They get thousands of views, post them on multiple platforms, and then grow wherever you are sending your traffic. If that's leads, email list, whatever it is, you're going to be able to grow that with these videos. So I'm going to jump into Shineify at shineranker.com. And the first thing that I would always do is I would go down here to the ShineRanker VIP. If you ever get lost, if you ever have any questions, this is where most of those answers are. And if not, you could jump into the Discord server. All of these trainings are really, really concise and easy to follow and organized very, very, very well. So if you have questions, jump in here. And there's also a bunch of resources along the bottom, including that list of 400 tools that you could promote. So now we're going to go to this tab on the left-hand side where it says AI video tools. There's a couple different tools in here right now, but what we're going to focus on is the AI text to image. I'm going to click Use Tool, and we're going to be able to copy and paste a lot of the stuff that we already created in ChatGPT in here. For instance, the prompt. I could use the same prompt that I used in Midjourney. So I'm just going to copy that, and I'm going to go back over to Shineify, and I'm going to paste it in, and it says that it's a bit long, and I could shorten it if I want. Now I'm going to go down here. You could use accuracy. If you wanted to use accuracy, it just creates more accurate videos, and you would need an authentication token, and you would actually grab that at the nextleg.io. It is a paid service, so if you want to use this, this is an add-on, but not necessary. So I'm actually going to go ahead and just turn it off to show you that you do not necessarily need that, and I'm going to turn on captions, so I could have these burnt-in captions, and then I'm going to turn on animations. It's going to give animations in the background, like this last video I did, where there's actually movement going on in the background. Things are changing, even if it is just an image. Then we can go to avatar. Again, this is an optional feature. We can turn on avatar. You would need to get your API key from HeyGen. If you did want to grab that, you'd have to go back over to HeyGen. Make sure you have a plan that includes API access, because all of them do not. So just go down to your drop-down menu, space settings. Then you can come down here to API. And this is where you'll find your API key. If you wanted to give it a try, you could always grab their trial token, but it will add watermarks into your generation. You would just copy this and then go back over to Shineify and paste it in here, and then hit this little checkbox, and then you'll get a verification in the bottom right corner saying your API key is working. And if you want to use your own face, you would toggle on taking a photo, and you would upload your photo, and see right here, there's my photo. Or you could toggle this off and use any of the stock avatars that come with HeyGen. But to show that you do not need this, and this is an additional feature that costs additional credits and money, I'm going to turn it off so you could see that you could do this with just the base Shineify account. So now we're going to go over to voices. Now, again, you could turn this on and you can grab your API key from 11 Labs. If you wanted to do that, you'd go to 11 Labs and you scroll to the top right corner, you click this and you click Profile, and you're going to be able to grab your API key, go back over to Shineify, paste it in here, again, hit the little check, and you'll get the 11 Labs API key is working. But again, I am going to go ahead and turn that off, just so you can see that this could be done even without adding in any additional API keys. So even without the API key entered, you could pick any of these base model voices, and they have an abundance of both male and female stock voices, but you could pick one. So I'm going to just go ahead and pick this one right here, and you could sample it just by clicking this little play button.
A man sees in the world what he carries in his heart.
And if it's the voice that you want to use, you can go ahead and just move on to the next step, which we have script. So now on script, we could either go back over to ChatGPT and grab the script that we already created. But if you haven't done this already, you could easily just do this directly in Shineify by going over to the AI chatbot right here. And it is basically ChatGPT 4, but built into the Shineify platform. But once you have your script, we're just going to copy that. Then we go back over to Shineify, and then we can just paste the script into Shineify, Don't forget to proofread your AI generated script. The next tab, we go over to music, and then now we could pick a song. By default, it's set to unlock me, but you could pick any of these songs and you could also preview them. And that's it. All what I need to do now is hit the generate button. And it is generating my video. Now, if I wanted to generate a whole bunch of these, I could easily just spin this and have ChatGPT rewrite this again, or I could just hit the generate button again, and it will actually generate a completely different video. If you do want this to be a bunch of original things, you could just take this script, go back over to the AI chatbot, and paste this in, and we could just tell it to rewrite this script again. So I just told it to rewrite the script and keep it similar. So I'm going to hit enter or return. And just like that, I have a completely original second script that I could just copy and paste and take over to Shinify's AI video tool. And I could just swap out the script right here, hit paste, and then hit generate. And now I would have another AI generated video promoting my fitness coaching boot camps. And just like that, we have this video that will get us leads to our fitness coaching program. So I could just play this and you can see what we got.
We're here to help you crush your fitness goals. Our team of certified fitness coaches is ready to guide you every step of the way. We know that reaching your fitness goals can be tough on your own, so we host group online boot camps. Join our community and support each other as you sweat, tone, and transform together. Our fitness coach team is made up of experts in various fitness disciplines.
I hope you can see how powerful these videos are, and we already have another one generating. And this is just rinse and repeat. Change a few settings if you want to, and hit the generate button again, and you're going to have another original video. Now I have another video with different captions, different images, and the same message that can get people into whatever I'm marketing, and in this case, it is a fitness coaching program. This system really does work to get you leads so you could start making money in any niche, but it does take a little bit of effort. What Shinify and other tools like that do, they cut that effort into a fraction of the amount of time it's going to take you. At the beginning of this video, if you go back and look, this was a much smaller number. And while I was recording this video, today already became a $1,000 day. And one thing I'll say is the only way that you're going to get any kind of results like these is if you take action, whether that is just doing it yourself and putting together the videos yourself, or jumping into the AI avatar agency, or just pick up Shinify at shineranker.com and do exactly what I showed you in this video. So these numbers are possible if you take action. So go out there and start creating and make some money. See you in the next video.